like to talk about how to use different types of shapes in your artwork to add interest. Hello, my name is Gail and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So I love using geometric shapes and organic shapes together. I personally think that it adds a lot of interest. So if you look at this painting behind me, you will notice that I use both geometric shapes and organic shapes together. So the geometric shapes I have in this painting are the dots, the little squares here, and even the fish is made out of geometric shapes. And I love that next to the organic shape of the human form, the way that the hair goes out. So the combination of both, I personally feel, adds interest to the painting. So next time when you do a painting, think about using both geometric shapes and organic shapes in it. I hope that little tips helps you. So until next Tuesday, love you guys. Bye-bye.